All right, so for Sun Salutation A, come to the front of your mat. And just take a moment to feel your feet on your mat. Maybe even lift up your toes, spread them wide, and press them down into your mat, gripping the ground. Feel the points at which each section of your foot is in contact with the ground. On your inhale, sweep your arms wide and up overhead, directing your gaze upward, but keeping the back of your neck broad. Exhale, bring your arms wide and down as you hinge at your waist into your forward fold. On your inhale, bring your hands to your shins, lengthen your spine out the crown of your head, and then exhale back into your forward fold, bringing your hands down to your mat or some blocks and stepping or jumping back to plank. As you exhale, keeping your elbows in at your sides, lower your body down to your mat. Press the tops of your feet into your mat. Inhale, lift up into a cobra or an upward facing dog to whatever degree your body is ready for. On your exhale, roll back down. Inhale, return to plank. You can use your knees to help you get there if you'd like. And then exhale, draw your hips up and back into downward facing dog. Take a moment here, walk your downward facing dog out. Feel the sensation at the back of your hips, down your leg as you lengthen your spine up towards the ceiling. Take one more breath here, and on your exhale, step your hands in to a forward, or step your feet in towards your hands, coming into a forward fold. Inhale into a half lift. Lengthen your spine out the crown of your head. Keep the back of your neck long and broad. Exhale, forward fold. And inhale, sweep your arms wide. Return all the way up. Joining the palms of your hands together. Exhaling them down to heart center. Good, let's do that one more time. Inhale, sweep your arms wide. Exhale, forward fold, hinging at your hips, coming all the way down, releasing your spine. Inhale, half lift. Feel your spine lengthen out the top of your head. Exhale, fold forward, bring your hands to your mat and step back to plank. Inhale here, and then as you exhale, lower your body down to your mat. Keep your elbows in at your sides. Inhale. Up one vertebrae at a time into cobra. Exhale, roll back down. And as you prepare to inhale again, bring your body back up into plank. Exhale, lift your hips back into downward dog. Bring any sort of movement your body is craving into your downward dog. On your next exhale, step your feet towards your hands, coming into forward fold once more. Inhale, half lift. Feel your spine lengthen. Exhale, fold forward. And as you inhale, sweep your arms wide, return all the way up, joining your palms together. Exhale your hands down.